I'm the protagonist. My character's name is Arunima Dua. I'm playing Devinder's daughter, Devinder Dua's daughter. That's Mr. Khair. And like I said, the film is from my point of view, where I am searching for the truth about my father's true personality and the actual facts that lead up to my mother's death.
My daddy, he's the best.
उधार रखने की आदत नहीं है मुझे।
कल तक मेरी माँ जिंदा थी, आज नहीं है। वो माँ जो मेरी यादों में हवा का झोंका बन के तैरती रहती है।
I didn't have to be scared, you know. Yogesh and I used to sit and discuss sometimes, like, you know, today we're shooting this really difficult scene, how do we do it? And then we just sit back and we're like, no, Mr. Khair will come in and he'll just make it easy for all of us. Because he just did that, you know. He'd explain it so wonderfully to me because of his experience with newcomers. He knows how to explain stuff so well, so clearly that we just managed it after that. His experience is so vast that it's difficult to pick up in one film. But I think the most valuable bit of advice I got from him was he told me the difference between a good actor and a bad actor is conviction. You know, you can do the stupidest scenes, the silliest of acts or gimmicks, but if you do it with conviction, it's still entertaining and it's still funny. But if you do it half-heartedly, it'll just come out looking bad and stupid. You know, so he said, so that I think is the most important bit of advice that I got from him.
मेरी माँ को जानने वाले मेरे पापा के सिवा कुछ और भी लोग थे, और उनसे सुना हुआ सच भी कुछ और ही है।
तुम्हारी माँ को गाने बजाने का शौक था।
कॉन्सर्ट्स होते थे उनके, आपने मुझे कभी बताया नहीं।
The first 2 days we just spent doing driving shots, because at one point in the film I'm following my father somewhere without him knowing. So there's a lot of driving that happens, and I did not know how to drive before this film. So he sent me in for like a 5-day crash course on how to drive. And my first day of shoot, my first shot was I had to go zooming at 90 kilometers per hour, almost 100. Jam my brakes, take a U-turn over a road divider and zoom off, you know, and it's not easy to like go at that speed and then U-turn over a road divider because of the height. But I got it right in my second take. Of course, the rest of the unit was so far away. They're like, if you crash, you're on your own. We're not anywhere close to you. But it was fun. It was thrilling. It was. I love driving. I wish I had started driving way earlier in my life because it's just so much fun. But we started off with the easier things. But this was not easy. But you know, it was a lot of fun.